Hello viewers, welcome to Meenakshi Innovative Ideas channel. Today is National Science Day. Few words about Science Day. Science is the great antidote to the poison of enthusiasm and superstition. National Science Day. India celebrates National Science Day on 28th February to commemorate the discovery of the Raman effect in 1928. Success can come to you by courageous devotion to the task lying in front of you, said by C.V. Raman. He won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. He is the first Asian and first non-white to receive any Nobel Prize in the sciences. He is honored with the highest civilian award in India, Bharat Ratna, in 1954. Established Indian Academy of Science, Bangalore in 1934 and Raman Research Institute in 1948.
आप हेलो मला हेलो
అప్పుడు వాటర్ తీసుకుని తర్వాత సాల్ట్ వేసుకోవాలి. సాల్ట్ వేసుకున్నాక తిప్పుకోవాలి.
పైకి
తిప్పుకున్న తర్వాత మారు వాటర్లో ఉప్పు వేసుకోవాలి. ఇంకోటి ఉప్పు వాటర్లో ఇంకోటి వేసుకోవాలి.